Welcome to Venu Kids Corner. Let's learn about the letter A. A is the first letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a vowel. Here is a letter A in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Hi friends, now we are going to write uppercase A, starting the top and make a slant down to the left, back to the top and make another slant down to the right. Now go to the middle and make a line across. Okay. Now you try. Here is a letter I in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase a. The start in the middle, pulls back and all the way around. Next go up and then down. Okay. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter A? A is for abacus. A is for accordion. A is for acid. A is for acorn. A is for air. A is for airplane. A is for airport. A is for airship. A is for albatross. A is for album. A is for alligator. A is for almond. A is for alpaca. A is for alphabet. A is for ambulance. A is for anchor. A is for angel. A is for angry. A is for animals. A is for ankle. A is for ant. A is for antelope. A is for ape. A is for apple. A is for apricot. A is for apron. A is for aquarium. A is for ark. A is for arm. A is for armchair. A is for army. A is for arrow. A is for ashtray. A is for astronaut. A is for athletics. A is for ant. A is for autumn. A is for avocado. A is for award. A is for axe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your Venu.